Too long ago, a huge horn in a thick forest lived a lion. His roar was so sharp that the whole forest was afraid to hear his name. The terror of the lion and the sting of his might sounded in every corner of the forest. But he had a little thing in his mind. His real weakness. A little rat. The rat's name was Blue. Pieta was a very young, smart, and courageous woman. His little body worked hard. All in the forest laughed at him, but he wanted his little identity to do a big task. One day, a terrible fire broke out in the forest. The fire was so intense that there was an explosion. Animals began to flee, but the lion knew that fighting with fire would not be easy. The animal in that fire couldn't get out. Everyone was troubled to save his children, his livelihood. At this point, he saw that fire had already come upon the lion. She looked at him and thought, if I could do anything. A little girl, but courageous, she quickly made a plan. Piercing his little body, he spoke from the river near the forest and covered himself with the dust. Then he dug a little pit in which he could hide himself. He had only one objective and was able to save the forest. The fire drew near, and the lion saw that his life was in danger. At that time, he said to the lion in his short voice, "Devil sir, I know you are trying to stop this fire. But I have to do something." The lion took her courage and opened her big doors and said, "I know why you're so small. You know, I'm a big tiger." Barbara smiled and said, "We can do a lot of small things. I want to save a burning forest for you." With its discretion, he dug the little dish from which water could be brought in. He removed the dust from his little legs and opened the dish. Then, ask for help from between your animals. Not long ago, animals gathered their helmet, legs, and feet with water. And he began to throw water from the little girl. Look, how that little animal saved the forest from such a great disaster. When fire reigned, the wilderness environment again calmed down. All animals were proudly thanking him. But the most proud of all was the little one who proved that there is a great deal to deal with. The lion said to him, "Joe, you've done your little stature. You are our forest's real hero." The story teaches us what little things can do with diligence and courage. Everyone, regardless of age or strength, can have a hero, just a feeling of being that hero. If you like my story, please subscribe to the Ink, comments, share, and subgroups.